Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press the subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath, if you're enjoying my content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up button. It's found right underneath the video. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping me grow on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right, today I am so excited. I cannot believe we just got a box at the door that is filled with the Ipsy PR for what we're going to have the opportunity to get in our Ipsy boxes for the month of July. I still pinch myself that I am getting these boxes and that I'm able to share it with you. As you know, I still get all of my Ipsy, from the flash sale to the shopper to the add-ons to my bags to the X bag. I was getting the ultimate all the way through to the plus to the regular $12 bag, which is where I tell all of you guys to start. So I love Ipsy and the fact that I am blessed to be able to get this, and I'm getting it the day before Choice and Addons, which is on the 2nd at 9 a.m., which since I started my channel, I have been able to share those videos with you guys too every month. So the fact that we're getting it on the 1st, I'm doing my best to get it all opened up so I can get this loaded and up to you guys so that you guys will get the sneak peeks of what is possibly going to be our choice items or items that might be in the add-ons and things like that. So let's get started, because I opened up everything up on my channel prior to make sure that everything is in good condition. If there's anything that's a duplicate, I pull it up from my section so that I can put another one aside, and then also to take like I said, a picture for Instagram, so, and take all the little stickers off if I can. So let's get started. First of all, they sent, I think this is sometimes they don't do this all the time, but I've only been getting a few of these boxes. They put a couple of it doesn't happen every month, a couple of extra items in that are like gifts, I guess, for us doing this on the channel. But to me, the true gift is being able to share these products with you guys. So the first item that was on the top of the box was this beautiful little card here, and it says, "We hope you love this Soleil times Ipsy. It's a syringe. As much as we love creating it, this is grew out of a design to make a chic, wearable cover up for any adventure under the sun. They believe their syringe can be worn at the beach, make you feel comfortable and confident at the same time." And then they said, happy Soleil, and they're saying it's 100% cotton gauze and wash cold and all that. So this is what this looks like here. This came in this beautiful package here, and that is what the item is inside. So I think that's very sweet, and thank you to Ipsy for sending that. They also sent one item from the Refreshments brand, which I have shared with you in the past on my channel. This is something that I already own, and like I said, that's gonna go in that area here, and then this is the one that's from my section here. If you haven't had the opportunity to try their Refreshments, their razor and their shaving cream is fantastic. So what's great about it is you can try it. They have a free sample that you go into your beginning of your Ipsy page. It will say Refreshments. I think there's a gift in there that is for a free razor and a free shaving that you can try. And then if you choose not to continue, read all about it. I've already gone through everything with Refreshments with you guys. The only thing with this, you have to be very careful because it is an automatic renewal. So you'll end up getting shaving cream every month if you don't change it out and choose some other item, or just, put it on hold or things like that. But it's fantastic that what they're calling products that we're going to constantly need to replenish, they have put in this section that they're calling Refreshments. So, and this is a really nice shaving cream. So happy that to be able to share that again with you guys. All right, let's get into what is in here. So I pulled everything out. A couple of the items that I found that they put in the box loose belong in the little guy, and then in the what I call the starter bag, and then they had a couple of the fuller sizes in here as well. So I'm doing my best to based on how I receive my bags from them and how I've, purchased through Ipsy, of what I think is what belongs in this bag. The bag this month is beyond stunning. Every detail on this is just blow away. I am just blown away. And remember that with Ipsy, you get these bags for free. They're not in the count. So in the starter bag, this is a $12 a month bag where it says it comes with 5 deluxe sample sizes. Usually one of them will end up being a full size. You also still get to choose one item, even in the starter bag. So you get to customize. And then if it's a full size brush that you put in here, you'll end up with a full size brush that always more than pays for the bag. But like I said, these bags come as a treat. That Ipsy is the only company that I know that does this, and I think they are just beautiful. And they're not throwaway bags. They're really well made, and they're always fully lined. This has the beautiful turquoise in the inside that matches the beautiful toggle here that I would wear as a piece of jewelry. I mean, this is stunning. And it says on the top here, stay golden, and on the back, on the bottom here, it says Ipsy. But the actual fabric is just stunning. I am so excited for you guys to get this. It is really out of the park. All right, so the items that I think came in here, the 5 deluxe sample sizes are, the first one is from Briogeo Superfoods. Is an avocado and kiwi. It looks like it's a mask for the hair. I've had the opportunity to try other products from this brand, and each one has been a home run. So this is a nice sample size to be able to try that. And the scents on these are usually scrumptious. I don't even know if I showed you, but it was definitely in the thumbnail. The size of the box that came is just huge. All right, the next item in here is from GLAMGLOW. This is the Supermud clearing treatment. This is also a mask. Also, every product that I have tried from this brand, from their cleansers to their masks, have been home runs as well. And so this is a really good sample size as well. And these are the things that I usually end up purchasing for myself from the $3 section if they're not in my bag. So that's a good thing to know, that this is a brand that I do recommend. The next one is from Tarte. It says it is Quench, and I am really not sure what this is. I'm gonna just pull out my magnifier from, this is in, from our True Ones Need It bags. This is still available, that we have it, I think, in our accessories section under improvinglifestyles.com. Double check, because this is an absolute winning product. We've had to stock this more than twice. So let me see what this says. This is here. This simply says it is a hydrating primer. So always enjoy primers. I use them every single day. This C brand, I just had the opportunity to try their concealer from it, and I was really impressed. I enjoy the Tarte brand, so this is a win for me as well. The next item is one that I've had the opportunity to try, and it is one that I'm so happy so many of you will be able to. It's from IT Cosmetics. It is their collab with the Dry Bar, the girl that set up those hair salons that just dried your hair. So when you were going out on a date or something, you would go there to get your hair done. You didn't need to go through like your hairdresser and all that. They're fantastic. They're called Dry Bars. So what they did was usually it's yellow and it looks almost like a brush, like the round brush. This is the one that they did the collab with IT Cosmetics, and it's called the Lash Blowout. And this is how beautiful the brush is on here. It gives you the fullest lashes. I enjoy the IT Cosmetics mascaras. This one is also another one that I'm happy so many of you are gonna get the chance to try. Excuse me. The next one here is from KVD Beauty. This is the Cake Pencil. I've also had the opportunity to try this. One of my favorite liquid eyeliners I got introduced to the KVD brand was called the Trooper, I think. And that eyeliner was my be all and end all. Every other eyeliner that I tried that was liquid, I always compared to that one. This is fantastic. This one is it behaves fantastic. It stays in the waterline. If you don't like liquid eyeliners, this is more like a gel pencil. This is in the black formula, and it is really good as well. So that's everything that I think could possibly be in our Ipsy starter bags. This is the $12 bag. So really excited about that. Then the next one up is for the Plus. And the Plus comes with these pouches now, as opposed to a bag with a zipper. It comes with the pulleys. And these bags are fantastic to use for everything. They're good to store your masks. They're good to store hair pieces. They're great when you're traveling and you have you know, your bras and underwear and things like that. These are just fantastic. I have used these on so many occasions, and they always stick with the theme. And the colors are so gorgeous with this turquoise and the gold, and saying stay golden. It's not a throwaway bag, and the details that they put into these things that are, like I said, free with the plus, I think are fantastic. It's not part of the count. So really excited about that. Now, everything in the plus is $25. It's free ship, and we get to choose, I think, a couple of items in the plus. So they choose 2 for us, and then we get to choose 3. Now, here we go. The first item, and we don't get to choose when it's PR, so what they put in are hopefully the items that, if I had the chance to choose, I would have made this bag for myself. That's how fantastic both these bags are for me this month. All right, the first item that's in here was from Fenty Beauty. This is why I get so excited about the Ipsy and BoxyCharm joining together, because Fenty was solely in the BoxyCharm. So if you were just an Ipsy girl, you didn't have the opportunity to try so many of her products, which have been home runs for me. So I'm so happy that there's been that crossover. So here we have the Fenty Beauty, and there's no information, so I'm just going by what's on the box if it's a product that is new to me. And this one is, and this one says it is the Stunna Lip Paint. It is a Longwear fluid lip color, and the color that they sent me is Unlocked, and it looks beyond stunning. So excited about that. The next item is from Juice Beauty, and Juice Beauty is another brand that I got introduced to through the Ultimate box when they had the Ultimate box at Ipsy. It is a very expensive brand. I think Gwyneth Paltrow is somehow involved with this brand, but it really, every product that I have tried, I have really enjoyed. And this one is called the Organic Solution, and the brand is Juice Beauty. It is an SPF30 oil-free moisturizer, and it is broad spectrum. Comes in the full retail box, and then this is the product inside. Really excited about that. Then there was a pouch filled with brushes, and we all love getting brushes. And this is from the brand called MOTD, which stands for Makeup of the Day. They come with what I call these bras. I don't know if that's the right term for it, but I always tell you guys, do not throw these away. These are fantastic that when you're traveling, it stops the brushes and bristles from going in every direction. They're also good that after, when it's almost dry, I put these on and it keeps the brush hairs in the right position. The first one in here is called the Sculpt, and that's what this looks like here. They are just beautiful. And the theme this month with the gold and the rose gold, it is just stunning. Everything in here is just stunning. The next one that we got in here, there are 3 brushes. This one is the bronzer, and this is what this looks like here. And I love how it is tapered so that you'll be able to get it exactly how you want it. Really beautiful and soft and very luxurious. And the next one in here is what they're calling Get Cheeky With It. And this has a bit of that angle, which is how I love all my blush brushes to be. And this is also, like, once you feel these, they are like so luxurious and so beautiful. So another absolute winner. And those 3 are considered one product. The next one in here was a palette, and it is called the Golden Hour. And this one is from the brand called Beauty For Real. And Beauty For Real is a brand that I'm happy is getting a little bit more attention. I had the opportunity in one of the boxes to receive their mascara. And when I opened it up, the wand was this really thin wand. It looked like it had no bristles or anything on it. And I didn't know, I've never seen anything like that before. Home run. If you see those mascaras, and I tell you all the time in the add-ons, if I see them, I tell you the stories in all the add-ons. I share with you when I have a chance to review it, always when we're doing those add-ons, so that you guys can have an opportunity to get the same things that I got as well, you know, through purchasing it through those fantastic deals on Ipsy. But I've never tried a product outside of the mascara from this brand, so I am like over the moon that this is here. And the fact that it's called Golden Hour, it is just stunning. There's a full mirror inside. It has the safety shield. These colors are stunning. And this is perfect. This looks like the bag. You have your beautiful turquoise there. You have your This is beyond stunning. So it looks like there are, I'll do some swatches of this in just a sec. Let me show you the last item and then I'll come back and I'll swatch this. The last item that was in here, I am so excited that so many people hopefully will have the opportunity to try this. This was one of the first products that I have tried from Wonder Beauty, and it has been a repurchase for me all the time. And whenever I see them in kits, I grab the kits solely to get this item in here. It is such a winning product, and whenever anyone's talking about Wonder Beauty and I leave a comment, I always mention these to them, because these are these gold under eye patches. These are fantastic. They stay on. You can go about your day and do whatever you need to do, and then when you're ready to take them off, you'll take them off. They don't come overly saturated. They don't dry out to nothing that you have to peel them off. They stay where you put them. They are beyond fantastic, and the results that you get from this, you will see. So the fact that there's like 5 or 6 of them in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think is an absolute win. So if you don't, if this ends up being one of your choices, this is definitely one that I would highly recommend. All right, let's do some swatches of these, and then that will be it. Okay, so the first 3 here that I'm going to swatch on the top, one is called Reflection. The other one is called Solstice. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. And the next one is Golden Ray. I'm trying to go through this as quickly as I can so that I can get this up for you guys. And then there's 2 more that are, I have a wet cloth beside me and a dry cloth too. The next 2 that are also these beautiful shimmers, look at this color, is Pink Sands and Infinite. And so I'll just do them right above here. They're swatching beautifully. Like, look how much color is still on my finger, and that was just me dabbing down once. Beyond stunning. And then we have the 3 mattes, which are the 3 colors that are my standalones on every palette that if I do, these are the 3 colors I use as my base, and then I will play with other colors outside of it. So I'll do all 3 here. Whoops. Sorry, I didn't get that Infinite is just beautiful, so I apologize. Let me just get it off my finger so I can give you a good swatch of the other one. Yeah, okay. So we have Horizon, Ablaze, and Shadow. So this to me is that transition. This to me helps me get the crease a little bit higher on me, and then this is the corner of my eye to give myself a little more definition. And those are those 3 there. So let me show you here. So the brown one did not swatch that great. The color on it didn't come out, so let me just do that one again. And that's what it looks like there. So once we play with these on the eyes, I cannot wait to be able to share that with you. But right now, just based on the colors in this palette, it is beyond stunning. That is what it looks like there, and those are the swatches for it right here. And this one is called Golden Hour, and it is by the brand Beauty For Real. And the outer packaging is just as beautiful. It's a sleeve. It looks exactly like the product here. And the only question that I have, they have the address here in Miami, Florida, but it is made in Taiwan. I know a lot of you girls want to know where it's made. So that's what that is here. So I think we have some great options for ourselves that if this is just a small little snippet of what could possibly be, I think we're in for a great month for the month of July. So I'm going to cut this here so that I can get this uploaded and share it with you guys. But hopefully I will see you guys tomorrow on the video that I will be posting, hopefully, of all of the choices that we'll have, as well as the add-ons. All right. Once again, as always, please share with me in the comments, because that's my lifeline with you guys. If you're excited about this month as much as I am, if there's any products here that you've had the opportunity to use, please share in the comments down below, because that's where we share with each other so that we can help each other make the right choices for ourselves when we have the opportunity on Ipsy. All right, take care everybody, stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.